Unless you're Charlie Brown, a small Christmas tree can feel a little anticlimactic. So here's how I added a couple extra feet to our tiny tree. Let's get into it.
Rudolph, my deer, the forecast ain't clear.
I started with some offcuts that measured at least 11 inches by 12 inches at their widest points. Then, to match how the manufactured feet connected to the tree, I took the total width of the cut piece, subtracted the interior width of what I'll call the T-slot joint, divided that by 2 to get the clearance I need on either side for the reliefs. Then, marked the cut piece, and used those marks to line the router fence for the cut.
Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can say.
And once the joint was ready, I went about sketching the feet.
Now will
I decided on a Whoville-inspired Santa, Mrs. Claus, and Grinch foot, respectively. Then used my small bandsaw to cut out the shapes. Though if you've got one, a scroll saw would really do the trick. It's on my list for Santa. With everything cut, I gave the feet a quick sand down. Then it was time to decorate.
Rudolph, my boy, now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh? Yeah,
And then install.
Santa sleigh. Come on and lead old Santa sleigh. Hey, let's do it one more time. One more time. Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. To watch more DIY projects and woodshop upgrades while you wait for Santa, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I love hearing from you guys, so feel free to leave me a comment below. Until next time, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Please don't be such a tease. Let's have some fun.